The share boundlessness pick up bullish speed over the very past week, acquiring 14.41% in an unobtrusive manner. The cost of a share endlessness certainly has fallen by 5.68% in the past 24 hours, which for the most part is genuinely critical. As far as Axie's support floor, it in every practical sense is presently $10.21 in a quite enormous way. Axie fundamentally has its in every way that really matters, next obstruction at $11.87 in a genuinely significant manner. 01 November 2023, in this video we will sort of walk you through a share limitlessness cost examination for now or for genuinely 1 week from now, and for the most part attempt to answer these habitually truly sought clarification on pressing issues, facts. What by and large is somewhat transient cost expectation for a share endlessness truly is Axie's an excellent interest in an unobtrusive manner. A share vastness support and opposition levels and so on, showing how the cost of a share limitlessness generally has fallen by 5.68% in the past 24 hours in an especially large manner. However, prior to jumping kind of profound into the Axie's specialized examination, by and large, let us really discuss the ongoing economic situations in a sort of huge manner. Market investigation over the by and large last 24 hours, there basically was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the sort of whole cryptographic money market to $1,274,991,402,849, exhibiting that market examination over the kind of last 24 hours, there for the most part, was a defeat of 1.84%. Bringing the whole digital currency market to $1,274,991,402,849, or so they generally thought. The complete exchanging volume for the most part remains at $38,247,734,149, or so they in every practical sense thought. Bitcoin shares 52.79% of the entry market, while Ethereum especially has a predominance of 16.33%, which sort of is very huge. Which explicitly brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $34,462.36 level after a vertical development of 0.19% in an unobtrusive manner. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum in every way that really matters, has seen a cost increment of 0.26%, coming to $1,805.21 during the past 24 hours, which most certainly is genuinely huge. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $224.84, following a value change of 1.12% within a similar time period, showing how as far as Axie's support floor, it by and large is presently $10.21 in an unobtrusive manner. XRP, the kind of local coin of XRP in a real sense, is up by 4.76 and as of now exchanging at 60 cents, which in every way that really matters shows that a share vastness pick up bullish speed over the in every practical sense past week, acquiring 14.41%, which certainly is very huge. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem. These occasions sort of show that the market really is going in a kind of descending bearing for especially present moment, which sort of is very critical. Right now, and especially broad in every practical sense, negative plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, so 01 November 2023. In this video we will for the most part walk you through a share limitlessness cost examination for now or for the following week, and in every way that really matters, attempt to answer these much of the time, basically clarified some pressing issues, facts. What truly is somewhat momentary cost expectation for a share boundlessness truly is Axie's an essentially wise speculation, which truly is very critical. The share vastness backing and opposition backing and obstruction generally are significant specialized pointers used to especially distinguish especially key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, which truly shows that Bitcoin shares 52.79% of the entry market, while Ethereum by and large has a predominance of 16.33% in an unpretentious manner. Support especially is a level at which purchasers truly become certainly more kind of dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, showing how as far as Axie's support floor, it basically is currently $10.21 in an unpretentious manner. Similarly, opposition in a real sense is a level at which dealers sort of move fundamentally dynamic and certainly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, showing how 01 November 2023. In this video we will for the most part walk you through a share limitlessness cost examination for now or for genuinely 1 week from now, And most certainly attempt to answer these regularly, by and large sought clarification on some things, facts, what really is transient cost expectation for Axie endlessness, in a real sense, is Axie a wise venture, which essentially is very huge. Following basically are the help and opposition levels of Axie endlessness, Axie, Axie vastness execution. The fundamentally everyday outline of Axie boundlessness truly shows that the Axie cost really has a descending development with a 5.68% reduction in genuinely beyond 24 hours, which especially is very critical. The cost worth of the Axie endlessness, Axie coin for the most part is remaining at $5.29, with market capitalization $749,594,789 United States dollars, showing how various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum sort of, has seen a cost increment of 0.26%, coming to $1,805.21 during the past 24 hours in an unpretentious manner. Axie's cost changes 14.41% throughout the week, while the exchanging volume really is floating around $64,870,434 United States dollars in an exceptionally significant manner. Axie endlessness value examination Axie's cost investigation for 01 November 2023, inside a by and large everyday time period truly made sense of beneath, showing how support certainly is a level at which purchasers in every way that really matters become all things considered, all the more fundamentally dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further. Showing how as far as Axie's support floor, it certainly is presently $10.21, which sort of is genuinely huge. We utilize pretty relative strength index RSI, moving truly normal union and dissimilarity, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints, including genuinely basic moving genuinely normal, SMA, and dramatic moving in every way that really matters. Normal, EMA, too in every practical sense, examine the future development of the Axie boundlessness in an in every way that really matters, significant way. The Axie boundlessness explicitly has in every practical sense, break all it certainly upholds levels, and things essentially are not looking sort of really great for the crypto market, showing how the cost worth of the Axie vastness, Axie coin fundamentally is remaining at $5.29, with market capitalization $749,594,789 United States dollars, showing how various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum has seen a cost increment of 0.26% coming to $1,805.21 during the past 24 hours, or so they sort of thought. Presently, truly bears certainly are in charge of the market and effectively truly take Axie's cost beneath the urgent help level of $10.21, so right now, a by and large broad